Every day, corporate legal teams must respond to dozens of questions from internal stakeholders and conduct their own research on tight deadlines.
It's easy to get lost in a sea of results. You might find the right answer, or just someone's opinion.
Today, we're announcing some game-changing updates to our most popular AI agent, Discovery, to deliver even more trusted and transparent legal answers fast.
Discovery helps legal professionals search, summarize, and analyze information from trusted sources. You can ask a question, upload a document, or search for a precedent. You can now choose between 3 modes of research. Search for verified web sources, leverage LEGALFLY's knowledge collections, or combine both. All answers are grounded in verified legal data and cross-checked across multiple trusted sources.
Discovery is now integrated with leading legal publishers, so you can access verified barrister-written advice, precedent, and case law all in one place.
You can also create your own knowledge collections, combining your internal policies, guidelines, preferred positions, or clauses with Discovery's verified sources. That means your teams can find the right answers instantly within your own guardrails.
And it's more transparent than ever. You don't just see where the answer came from, you see how it was read. LEGALFLY displays its reasoning process in real time so users can see how it evaluates sources, breaks down complex questions, and forms conclusions. Try Discovery by LEGALFLY today. Trusted legal answers at your fingertips.